In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wise Money Transfer tutorial how to use Wise. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and have a reliable internet connection so the latest rates and options load correctly. If you're new to the interface, the home screen is where you'll start any transfer. Next, tap the Send button. Depending on your version of the app, it might appear at the bottom or near the top of the screen. This is the entry point for creating a new transfer, and it will guide you through the essential choices. You'll see a prompt asking where you want to send. Here, choose whether the recipient is on Wise and select the destination country. Picking the correct country is important because it determines the supported transfer methods, currencies, and local details you might need. If your recipient already uses Wise, selecting that option can simplify the process since their details may already be linked to their profile. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. You can type in what you'd like to send, and the app will show the estimated fees and the amount your recipient will receive. Take a moment to review what's displayed on screen, especially if exchange rates are involved. Select the currency for the You Send field. This is the currency coming from your side, which may be different from what your recipient receives. Double check that you're choosing the correct currency so the calculation and fees are accurate. Tap Add Recipient. In some layouts, you may be prompted to tap Add Recipient again to proceed. This step is simply confirming that you're ready to provide recipient details. Now choose how you want to add the recipient. You can find them on Wise if they're already a Wise user, which is typically the fastest route. You can enter bank details if you have them. Be precise with account numbers or IBNs, and make sure the name matches the account to avoid delays. You can upload a screenshot or an invoice when you need to reference a bill or payment request, which helps ensure the details are correct. In certain countries, you can select an e-wallet, like a local mobile wallet service, if it's available. You can also pay by email, which lets the recipient receive a message from Wise to provide their details securely on their end. Always verify that the destination method is supported in the country you selected. Once you've chosen the method and entered the necessary information, review everything carefully. If anything looks off, correct it before moving forward. And that's it. You've set up your transfer path inside Wise.